Okay, today I got my Sparrows handcuff tools available. Just came in a little while ago. And let's see, how do I get in here? It's sealed up. Okay. This is a 3D printed handcuff key, $5. And these, can't hardly see them in there. There's two of them in there. They're shims for the handcuff key. This is my handcuff set. It's a cheap one, but I'm going to see if they work. Okay. First thing we're going to test out is the handcuff key. Okay. Mom don't let me have a sharp knife or sharp scissors. Okay. Might have cut the wrong end. Okay. This is it. Okay. Let's throw it at the camera, sure. Let's see if this thing breaks off. Okay. Here we go. Sturdy material. Let's see here. No, it don't fit. Okay, let's see if their shims work. Holy mackerel. Well, this looks like a very good possibility. Let's see if these work. Okay, there's two of them in there.